We are so back. Okay, finally. Okay. So today's gonna be Leetcode Marathon, and we're just gonna be doing the roadmap as usual. But I need to figure out what to do. So I mean, I could do array and hashing, stack, 2 pointer. I'm probably gonna stick with this for now, and then I can go to trees later. So what I want to do is I want to finish all of this and then maybe move to trees or finish a considerable amount. Right now, linked list, I guess I can do merge two sort of lists. Now that I have an understanding for how linked lists work in C++, this might be a little bit easier, so I guess I can try this out for now. Let's close this. Okay. Alright, so you're given the heads of two sorted linked lists. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first list to return the head of the merged list. Okay. We 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 4. We want 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, I see. Okay. So they're both sorted. Okay. So let's say I'm iterating through this list. We start here, and then immediately we need to add this to the next one. So it's just like we need to check both lists or iterate through both because um I guess that's a possibility. So I guess we can iterate. So do we have can we figure out the size of a linked list beforehand? Is that a thing? We have value, we have next, we have value next. Yeah, we don't have any way of figuring out the size. So I guess you just keep iterating through until the bigger list is done. But how do you figure out the bigger list? That's the first question I have. I need to figure out which is, or no, you just add both of the sizes because you want size of 1 plus size of 2 anyways. Right. Or no, hold on. So first of all, do you want to construct a new list or linked list, or do you want to just add on to the original one? That's the first one. Because let's just say it's sorted, but this is not 1, 2, 4. This is like 2, 3, 4, right? So if you start off with this one, well, you're already you're uh, man, this is hard. Okay, so I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. So first, okay, let's just start from first principles. We want to see what our while loop is going to look like. So let's start off with that. Am I using Vim? Yeah, yeah. Okay. So we want to start off saying while list one or do you do list one dot head? Is that how this works? Is it like this? Is not equal to no pointer, and then you could do I actually have no idea. So I don't think you can figure out the size of the list. You just kind of keep going through. So let's just say I iterate through this whole list. So I start at 1. I check if this is equal or whatever. If they're equal, I just add it to the next one. If it's less, then I add it behind. Okay, so if this is greater or equal, I'm going to add it to the front. If it's not, I add it to behind. So and then I go to 2. Obviously, this is greater. So, okay, so I add it to the front. Cool. And then I go to 4. That's fine. This is an easy example. But what if it's like, I start here and then this is like 0. I add it behind. And then I check the next one. So is it like alternating between them or something? No, that doesn't make any sense. I think I have to edit one of the lists and return that. Or I think what I'm doing here is I'm not creating a new linked list. I'm just editing one of the linked lists to be merged. Or is it better if I make my own list and just add nodes to it? You know? Options. I feel like it might be better if I just make my own list. I can just say, okay, head of this, what is lesser or greater or whatever, add that, and then if this is greater, add that, then go along in that fashion. But I don't think that's the solution they want. Okay. Well, let me try this first. So let me just make my own list node merged. Um, then I can start off with mm, I guess this can be an or loop or statement where I basically say either this or that. So list 2 that is not equal to 12. By the way, am I even streaming? I didn't even check this. Let me see real quick. That is not equal to 12. It says one watching, so that's probably myself. Cool. Let me just check for real quick. Okay. So we're iterating through both of them. Then we have like if this one head is greater than or equal to this 2 head, then we say merged dot head equals wait. So if it's greater than or equal to, we want it to be forward. Okay, so this is gonna be list 2 dot head. Cool. And then else we can say merged and then I can do then I can just like update all of these and then it just magically works. No way. No, that's not gonna happen. I doubt it. Uh, okay, another thing I just realized is that they want us to return the head of the merge linked list. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna have to have a current variable. So let me just do that. I mean, why not? So, uh, do we want it to be inside? No. We want it to be outside. Okay. So list node cur equals merge.head maybe, which is null pointer, I think. Yeah. This can be null pointer. Equals null pointer. And then merge dot so this is gonna be cur, and then this is also gonna be cur. So cool. Now we can basically just instead of updating see wait, how do we yeah, I could just say cur equals cur dot next. I can say list or I guess I can't do that after this. and then list one dot head. I guess I can just, yeah, for this one I can, wait, frick. Is this how you do this? I think I'm massively mistaken in something. This does not seem right at all. Okay, well let me think about this. So we have merged, which is null pointer. I'm pretty sure this is how you start a list. Okay, so this is null pointer. Then we have another node called current, which is merged.head. So this should be initialized to null pointer. Then we're saying while the head of list one or the head of list two is not equal to null pointer. Then we say if list one, so for in this example, let's just say this is list one, this is list two, we say if list one is greater than or equal to list two, hold on, if this is list two is equal to right now, but we're saying merged dot, or we just, I guess this is just current. Now, what am I doing? I'm so confused. What am I even doing? I don't get it. Merged. I guess we don't even need this yet. We could just say, this is stupid. I don't know if this is how this works, but I'm gonna do something really stupid right now. So I'm gonna do this, and that's say merge head equals list two head. And then I'm gonna go over here. Matter of fact, yeah. So this is gonna also be this. And then I'm just gonna update dd merged head equals merged next. Okay, so if I do this, I can just return current because current is merged ahead. I think that should work, or at least let's hope. Because I honestly I don't know why, but let's just hope. So yeah, so over here I say if list is greater than or equal to, we wanted to add. Oh yeah, so this is wrong. We wanted to add list one. So excellent. If it's less than or equal to, or less than, then we want it to be, if list one is greater, yes, sir. If list one is greater than list two, oh yeah. This has to be, yeah, never mind. Yeah, if list one is greater or equal to, so in this scenario, let's say this is list one, this is list two, right? If list one is greater than this, right? We want list two to be the head, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Else we can have this, and then we just keep doing this, I guess. Maybe this will work. This makes sense to me. I don't know if this makes sense to you. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's see. Merge. Oh, mistake. I feel like I'm on the right track, but some of the syntax and stuff is wrong, probably. Yeah, no member head. How do you initialize the link list? I don't even remember. I don't remember how this works. Shit. Okay, you know what? I don't remember how this works in C++. More like I don't know how it works. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm just gonna return merge.head. Or is there like an automatic head variable, or like how does it work? There is no member head list head in this one. What? Wait. There is no head? What? I'm confused. What? Structure. Int value. There's next. Wait, real quick, I need to check something. Leetcode or Leetcode. I'm just gonna go to the problem list and or just search reverse the post. I just said, oh, I'm so stupid. I see. Okay, okay, I see. Uh, just do this. Okay, so list one. It's just list one, straight up. That is head in this, I guess. Um, uh, okay. Or sorry. Oh, this has to be value, not whatever. CW value. Merged. So this would be merged, just merged, I guess. And then this is gonna be list two value. Okay. And then same here. So CW. And then this is just um what's going on? Hello? What what the hell is happening? That was weird. Journey tracks. I don't know, sometimes Vim just gets like annoyed or something. Okay, so we can just say merged equals merge.next. Uh and then we return merge. Instead of doing this, we could just do list node. What the heck's going on? List node mer or oh, there's an option to ahead here. I'm stupid. Wait, what? Incompatible integer. Guess I don't even need the value. I just kind of just use the node itself. This seems so stupid. Why am I so dumb? Okay, and this is also not list two head. This is just list two. This is all just list two. Runtime error. Remember list one val. What? So it's not working for this. So I guess there is no value. Okay, but I thought I addressed that when I said this is not null pointer. So if it is null pointer, it shouldn't do anything. Why did it go into the? Oh, because this is not null pointer. Ah, I'm gonna lose my mind. How do I? Okay, so we want to get the largest of the two, but we also cannot iterate beyond. Let me just. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'll try changing this after I understand how this works. Do this, and then, or I guess just delete. I hate. Sometimes I just hate when. Come on. I'm trying to learn Vim, but like it's kind of hard. It's taking me a minute to learn it. Okay, so it worked for the empty case. That's hilarious. Okay, output. There's nothing in the output. Okay, which means it's not even just updating. Okay, that's interesting. Merged. Merged. I feel like this is definitely not the way to do it, but yeah, I don't know. This is the only way I can think of doing it. But let me. Why is there nothing in the output? Hmm. Play some other music. I want to play this music on stream. It should be fine. No one's gonna copy strike someone with one viewer. I don't even make money from this. Okay. List one well is greater than. It just. Oh, it does work, but it's not adding stuff. Okay. I guess that kind of makes sense. Okay. So merged equals list two doesn't work. I guess that makes sense. How do you add a node? Is it like I thought this should work. Why would this not work? Merged equals list two, or is it like merged val equals list two or something? No, I want the entire node. What? Bruh. I see. That's the mistake. Right. I need to somehow say, yeah, this will modify that, which means that, wait. Merge will refer to the same linked list starting from list one. I don't want that. I just want a value. Is that just as easy as just saying, uh, what is it? It's like just doing val is this? I don't think that's how that works. I see. Okay. Okay, that works. So I just need to say new list node, and then I just do I guess I need to do this. Um, last. Uh, oh, list one. My fault. It's interesting. It still doesn't do anything. Merge. Wait, what is this 20? I don't get it. I don't think you need a size. You just kind of add to the. Yes. Yes. Guess you need a current thing. I mean, I don't think you need that, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Whatever. Guess that makes it a little bit understandable. And then, or I guess you can do it outside that. Nah, okay. Uh, yeah. So this one is just gonna become current. And this is just current. Okay, and then now, as we're returning current here, we could just say. I think that might have been the problem because I was returning current and that wasn't doing anything. Let's see. It still doesn't have any output. Why? What? Merge is null pointer. Current is equal to merge. I mean, yeah, I am doing just list one here, but they should at least work for this. It should work for case one because list one's null pointer thing is list one is list one dot next. List two is list two dot next. I don't think I need a variable for that because that's how I implement the linked list. They gave me a node called head, and I just had head dot x equals current, which is just I don't know. This is a little different, but it should just work this way. Huh. What if I do just for like checking? What? Oh. God damn it. Okay. Let's do this. 134. So it's all updating. Okay, yeah, this all works. What about this? Uh, curve. One. 134? What the heck? By the way, there's also another problem in this code, which I just realized. Actually, I don't think this like merged idea is good because then I need to check for both. Also, why am I listening to this depressing music? I don't want to think about this right now. I'm already depressed. Stop. Um, here we go. Yeah, yeah. See, I feel smart now, which I'm definitely not. Okay, I see the problem with this. This merge thing is not gonna work. I just realized. So I'm just gonna start from the beginning. Let's go. Okay, so no more merged. Friendship ended with merged. We're doing direct because that's it. I don't know any other way to do it. Okay, so the direct approach. The only problem with it is it requires me to figure out the bigger number or the bigger size. But I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe I'm overthinking it. The number of nodes in this. Lock it. Okay, so four, or no, what am I doing? Sure. Okay, I like this music. Okay, so I don't know how to iterate through this. That's kind of the problem. I'm just gonna do it for list one and hope case one works, and then we can figure out the rest. So is equal to null pointer, and then if list one. Wait, so if I move this pointer to this, and then how do I? Wait, no, this has to be worth what? Wait, merge now seems to be the only way to do this because if I start here, right? I remove this pointer, and then I move to this pointer, and then I check again. From here, I check my options, right? I check this and this, right? Oh, is this how you do it? So, okay, so we're starting here. My options are this or this. So it's either one or two. It's one, so I go here. Then my options are two or three. How do I know which is two or three? Because I need a variable to store this, I guess. So then I move here. And then I check my options, which is this and this. And I go here. And then from here, I need to check here and here, and then go here, and then this is my last option, so I'll just go here. But I need a variable to store this, because after I change the pointer to go here, this variable is dereferenced. I mean, okay. That's the way I can think. Is this supposed to be this complicated? Huh. This is this is not supposed to be this complicated. It says a merged thing. I have a separate linked list, right? Then I can check these two, be like, okay, this, add it. Then I'll be like this and this, or yeah, this and this, add this, then check this, add this, and then this. Yeah, because it's merged, I think we can just say whatever is this, and then you just add the next one, and then just go to the next. Ah, that might be the way to do it. Never mind, merged is the way. Never mind, merged is my best friend. Not equal to null pointer. I'll just do it with this. What did I say? Yeah, I figured out my mistake. Okay, so list one, val. List two, for val. Then what we do is, if yeah, it's the exact same code as before, except I just add both of the nodes at once because these are sorted. So if there's one here, then it has to be the next one is this. It's not this. Or so what if it is there duplicates allowed? This seems so vague now. I think about it. Are there duplicates in the same thing? Man, what? No, but is that the way this goes? Okay, let's just say we check these two, right? If we see this is smaller, the next smallest thing, does it have to be this? Is the question. Or can it be this? It can be any linked list. So that means maybe this doesn't work. What if this is like 3, 4, 5, right? And then I see, okay, one is smaller, so I add one, right? Or let's just say this is 4, 5, 6. So this is 4, 5, and 6. And this is 1, 3, 4. I see one is smaller, so I add one, right? And then immediately I add 4, but that's wrong. I need to add this first and then add 4. And then add here and then go there. Ah, doesn't work that way. Okay, wonderful. So, yeah, that plan flopped. So, how else can I do this? Is this supposed to be difficult? This is a LeetCode easy. Am I just that dumb? Maybe I'm just stupid. Maybe I should give up on my dreams and aspiration and work by as like a farmer or something. Or I just sell drugs by the woods. I don't know.
I think I've been watching too much Big Bang. Okay, I'm sorry. It's a guilty pleasure. I'll work on it.
2. Uh, man, maybe others just find this super easy, and it's just me. But it's fine. I don't care. I'll figure it out. So let's see. One. The only other way I can think of is uh we start here, or we just check what's the smaller value, right? Then we add that, and then we check the next smaller value between this and this, add whatever. Then we check the smaller, so hypothetically, if this is a smaller value, right? We add this, then we check this and this, and then we just keep going like that. And that's gonna be O of n, I think. Or O of 2n, which is just O of n, because we don't care.
Yeah, do you mind if I record?
Yeah, sure, you're good. Yeah, I think that's the only way to do this. So I think the only thing I need to do is I need to only update based on the if statement over here. So if list 1 is greater, we're adding list 2. So then we say, because we added list 2, we can say list 2 equals list 2 next. Okay? That makes sense to me. And then else merged equals new list node list 1 is val, and then we say list 1 equals list 1 next. And then we can just, if after either one of these finish, I can just say merged equals finish next. Or, I forgot, we need current value. My fault. So go here and then do list node cur equals merged. Then I do, so this is all just going to be current. So, or this one. And then I do, again, this is also current. And then I can just do, then merge, return merge. Wow. If you guys don't know this background song or music, this is from Darknet Diaries. It's a podcast. You guys should definitely listen to it. I'm just trying to. Okay, this is the last thing I need to figure out. This while loop. Where does this while loop start and end? Because um. Oh, I don't know. Do I need to have an edge case for that? We're back to the spacewalk music.
Alright, we're back. How many times since I got this
I'm so close. I can feel it. This all works. We just the only problem is. Oh, come on, come on. There has to be an easy way. So.
It's not difficult.
There is no built-in way to turn off size.
Fortunately, you're in that is just it happening.
So is this just an if statement saying if list one allows this, just add it? Okay, I guess I can just make an if statement saying
It's South 17 South. You're right. Really weird. Yeah. Jefferson Avenue and Marjorie Boulevard.
this is so bad, but I'm just gonna do this. Just to see if it works, because I'm getting desperate. This is a terrible idea, but it should theoretically work. I don't see why it would not work. Else if list 2 equals null pointer. This is so bad. This is terrible. But variables. And then I can just make this else if. So that's just gonna be this. I'll run this way and see what happens. Oh, I forgot to change the while loop. Waffle. Will this work? I don't know if this will.
Like I found the area and then
Oh.
not we are
How is the output still nothing?
right here. Fine.
What? Edit all that, there's no output? Why?
What is that? This also
Merge, no pointer,
this is like Alexandria. Cottonwood Honey.
cur.
I think I'll make this out. No, we are in Texas.
What?
Or another awesome. I think it was the DFW7.
Let's just do why this is not work? It should not take this long. It's been like how long since I started streaming? How long have I been streaming for? How do I check that? Open Studio.
I didn't make this right back.
Close. How do I check? Average.
Irving is honestly big.
I don't even know how long I've been up for. Oh, it's 43 minutes. I've been trying to do this easy for 43 minutes.
3 days. That hurts.
Dude, what? It literally works. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
What was that? That game we got.
It literally works. Bruh, what the hell is the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the answer. Why can't I print it out? Equals merge. Is it just because merge is null pointer? Maybe if I return curve over here, it'll work. Tell me it works. Please. But this is not gonna be. It's gonna be null. So.
Alright, let me keep downtown. Closer.
I don't, dude. This is elementary. Why am I not able to?
Corporate and gateway. Those are relatively good. The corporate is facing northeast. Corporate gate. It's kind of like a not business person.
What the heck am I doing? Merge, no border.
If that's downtown, that's north. Yeah, you do down here. It's probably a big road. Not one of the people see it. Oh wait, there's some Jefferson. No, that was left.
Do I say get rid of the no button? Then maybe it'll work.
We're living on this. Why are we?
Bro, this is so elementary. I'm about to crash out. I don't know how to do this. I certainly don't. I'm just gonna ask the boy. No.
Oh, I just there. It's like.
This is so basic.
Corporate and high.
There has to be a better way to do that. Is that out of data? Merged. Okay, whatever. I'll just do what it tells me to. I think it all tells me to. Then I do pointer. And then this is just at merged. Then if I do Dude, this is not a solution. This is terrible code. This is the worst code I've seen in my life. What? I'm about to crash out, dude. I have the values right here, but it doesn't work. This is not the way to do it. Yeah, this is definitely not the solution. Oh, it's because they didn't cur. Why the hell is he doing cur.next right away? I thought you want to do that over here. This code is just terrible. Wait, what? This is wrong. Doing it. Reasoning. Let's see if their reasoning is capable. Let me just try fixing this. This is like an elementary problem. I should be able to do this myself. We want to keep track of the head. How did I do this with the reverse linked lists? I did. Let's go low border.
Yeah.
How the heck does this work?
Yeah. These are urban bullet points.
Oh yeah, because I reversed it. So
What would
the current is at the end, but since all the pointers point the other direction, it works. Okay, that makes sense. But in this scenario, what is this supposed to say? Um,
I really look at this? Wait, once we find that city, I
okay, well, if you return this, so
will get there. First, where is it?
I refuse to believe this is the solution. Let me think about this.
No, actually,
I just don't think I understand this well enough. So this is a pointer, which is null. Cur is also null. But now, when this happens, cur is a new list node, which means that since these both are the same, they should also be a list node. So why is this not working? Maybe this will work? Merge, or this won't work.
yeah, that's what we were.
Oh, my fault. This will probably not work, but let's try it anyway. And this is definitely not working because it just makes a null pointer. Because, well, like, it started as a null pointer and it ends at null pointing.
Gateway.
Ah. And since in this I'm updating current, which is a pointer, the value is changing. What if I do something like mm, yeah, the previous idea should have worked actually, now that I think about it. Why did this not work? This should have worked. Merge and then this is like an address over here. And then I did what if I just return merge? That doesn't work. I think I need to do merge on next. But why merge on next? But why? What's wrong with this?
Yeah, you have to at least see what.
Oh, it doesn't work. Why? Why does it not work? What am I doing? Okay, wait. I think it's time to ask Grok. That's the only thing I can do. See, Grok AI. Let's ask Grok. No, it's easy.
We would go. Yes, it's 12 times. Not the shit. But yeah, maybe the content of people.
It's telling me the same solution, but it's not. Wait. I think it's telling me to do like change my code a lot. So is this what I did previously? And then it told me to do. Oh, it's because it's a pointer. Okay,
What's up, guys? We are
maybe that makes sense.
our goal time was 30 minutes.
Is that what that did?
Scotsman? Sorry. That would be really. For others, I honestly, I don't want liking technology. So I get a little bit of that.
Man, the output's still nothing. What am I doing wrong? Dummy, current,
Yeah.
pointer.
So it's good. You don't teach that. I'm literally not spending me on. But here we go. So that. So, alright. Alright. That. That's it. No. Um,
For some reason, they want us to do next, next, and then next. Why? Why is that the case? This is probably the reason it's not working, but why is it like this? I don't like this game. It doesn't make any sense to me.
I don't know about forgetting to save really. It looks more like a talent than version. Yeah,
Wait, what am I doing? I just want to get rid of this. and then delete, and then go here. Or
Yeah. All three days.
what the? Dude, I'm so dumb. Ah, I can't even undo it. I'm losing my mind, guys. It's only 8 p.m. this time, and I'm already losing my mind. Why is this so annoying? Paste this, format this code. Cool, and then over here, X. Okay. I can't do this. Also, if this current what the heck is this? How would this work? Because what if there's multiple nodes? This only does this once. I can't deal with this. This is not correct code. Maybe AI sucks. Dude, this doesn't make any sense. You know what? I understand how to do the code. I'm just gonna, where is it? Yeah, I would literally, um, delete all this, right? X this, and then paste, or copy. Does it not paste this? Bruh. Losing my shit. If this works, I'm about to crash out. It freaking worked. How? How did it work? This only does like some nodes. I mean, this only is executed once. It's not even in the while loop. So if there's like multiple. This will not work in the larger test case, right? Like no way. How? It does not make any sense. How did this work? How did this work? I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, just makes the entire list one. Wait, but that's what's going on here. Ah, okay. I see. Man, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm gonna have to do this question again. Where's my? I'm gonna lose my mind here. Okay.
It doesn't sound bad. Like I'm sitting
Let me try understanding
um,
myself again. This is supposed to be an easy question. It's been like more than an hour. Everyone's cringing at my inability.
let's see.
Can't. This is supposed to be an easy question. It's been like more than an hour. Everyone's cringing at my inability. Losing myself. I need to like draw this out to understand what's going on. But first thing, there's like a lot of things I don't understand. First off, pointers and stuff. When I say a pointer is like this. It's pointing to this. I forgot about the fact that the entire list is included. It's not just that list node, which is why the previous one had the list node value or whatever. The list node value only adds that value. But the entire list node thing, it adds the whole linked list. So that's something I needed to understand. That's why their if statement in the end, it added the entire thing. It didn't just add one node, you know? So that's something I need to understand. The second, I need to understand how pointers work. Yeah, that's how pointers work. I think my list node strategy should have worked. I'm also thinking, what yeah, the head, yeah. How they did like, or at least GPT had like a original merged list node, and then it had a current pointer, and then the pointer was like, yeah, and then for some reason they did merged on next on that for unknown reasons. Why couldn't just be okay? I'm gonna try implementing again, but I still don't understand a lot of it. But I'll try implementing it again. So list node for this, I'm gonna go to reverse that quick. This is a head. Where to return our CW? Why is it? Why is it? Oh, what if I do head here? What happens? What does it return? Nothing. Okay. Okay. This makes sense. So this one did not have the problem with the first one because well, it's a we reversed all the pointers. So yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so in this scenario we want merged. And then what is this zero? What does this mean? Is this like one node? It's a new list or I see. Okay, that makes sense. Let's close this. Okay, so they did merge on next because they set the first value to be zero. Wow, this is awesome. Is there no other way to do this? Hmm. I'm trying to think of another way in which I could implement this. I guess not. Okay. Is this inefficient? I want to try this out and see if it's inefficient. Uh, Kerner E operator. Or what was it?
Yeah, hard.
Hmm?
You check the pretty stuff, sooner.
Yeah. One sec.
I was like a minute ago, but I didn't realize it.
Uh, one sec. I don't. It's O&M, right?
Yeah.
Playing GeoGuessr until I get bored.
Alright.
I see it.
So we can get together. I am a starter. I think I'm just gonna start with the US and I'm not sure if I'm gonna go for 25K or just you know, reach gas and then want to do that. Or else okay. Kyle is doing not how well it is to do. It's from my mouth.
Okay. I'll look at this. Okay, I have no idea what to do. So this is just, I guess making the new list node is just not the play. So I guess I'm just gonna do list 2. And then this doesn't make any sense to me. But I mean it does make sense, but
Yeah, I'm not really sure.
it doesn't make sense in terms of
Have any knowledge whatsoever on which states have conflicts with first states.
4. What? Oh. Oh. Merged. But if I return merge, it's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3,
Okay, that's it's not. What is that?
Huh? What? Oh, shit.
I'm gonna get out of this like rather than keep going here. I don't need to go to this experience. Jeez,
I seriously don't understand how this works. Because now, why does it have to be merged documents? And I think it's because they did current.next up here. But there has to be a better way to do this, no?
Some create a hard like
This makes kind of sense, but it seems so bad. Oh, that's because I'm printing. What?
I'm not sure. I'm not actually so bad.
Recursion, huh?
Yes. Later. No, I'm not. Yes. So you were in fine.
Oh, you could just do that as well.
And it was. I can't. Let's think about. You look this Caribbean like. No, it's like Vermont. No,
Wait, she's like his head.
you can Montana, so I'm on. Okay, you're in. Okay, that was actually I was considering. So let's see. Okay, so in this. 32.
This is way too tough. I mean, so I guess the only way to do this is to make a dummy thing and then set current equals
Jersey.
that,
Yeah.
and then do current dot next.
Let me go.
But why can't I just set the actual one itself?
Yeah. Awesome. One. Just so. looks like. Yeah, it's probably pretty admin about that one. Don't play this. I also like only ever played the US, so any my world knowledge I'll play it sometime in the stream, but my geodesy world knowledge is horrible. Okay. So South
Oh,
and
I see. That's stupid. Okay.
more South. What is this here? Cypress Garden batches.
Okay. So,
This we might even north of it all. South. From my purest and servant. And we got some like little guy here.
or how do you? Oh,
Clearly. Okay, not bad actually. Over. And it was basically
okay. After like an hour and 30 minutes, probably even more, we're finally done with one leak code easy. This is awesome, guys. This is so awesome. With a lot of help from Grok. Ooh. No more late lists. I want to do something else. But I do like medium stack. Struggling with easy, bro. Let's try longest substring without receiving characters. So you could do that. Top K frequent elements. How long have I been streaming for? Let me check. If it's too long, I should just do this tomorrow. One leak code a day is probably no. Let's see.
Play count. I want to play count. Heard of that. What do you have? And one.
83 minutes. Yeah, I'm about to stop streaming. I'll do more later.